When you farm, when you plant seed, before you plant the seed, you have to plow the ground, right?
Yes.
In the same way, before God plants the seed of the gospel in us, before we hear the gospel, before we get that seed, God has to plow our hearts. You know, sometimes our hearts can be hard. They can be tough. So before you plant, you have to plow. You know, sometimes God, He has to soften our hearts so that that seed can grow in us. You see these holes, they are deep, so that the seed can grow. So the birds, they don't come by and pluck away the seed, and so that when you walk by, you're not messing up the seed. Hearts can be hard sometimes. Our hearts can be hard towards God. You know, our hearts can be hard because of life's issues. Our hearts can be hard because of pain that we have been through. Our hearts can be hard because of some of our struggles. So God has to plow our hearts. He has to do something in our hearts so that the seed of the gospel can be planted in us.